Hey everyone, welcome back to We Made It Fit. So today I have a really cool ab combo for you to do. I love experimenting with different exercises and making up new things, and it's so much fun because there's so much you can do for abs. You can use your body weight, you can use dumbbells, medicine balls, and you just kind of experiment and you end up coming up with something really, really cool. So today I have a medicine ball workout for you for your abs. It's 4 moves and you can do it 60 to 90 seconds each. I do it 90 seconds each and then I do 3 to 4 sets. I think today I did 4 sets. So keep watching for the whole workout. And also, before I forget, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up to support your girl. And make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and my blog. And all those links are below, and so you'll always get the latest tips from We Made It Fit. Okay, let's go and get into our workout. Alright guys, so we are starting off with a straight-legged ball pass. So go ahead, grab a medicine ball, and all you're going to do is point those toes straight up in the air, and you're going to crunch up with that ball, trying to touch your toes, and you're going to bring back the ball into a chest press sort of motion. So your elbows should be going straight down into a 90 degree, and you're going to crunch back up, just pass the ball back and forth. For these exercises, I am doing each move for 90 minutes each, and I'm just going as fast as I can while maintaining form. And like I said, I'm doing it for 3 to 4 rounds. Today I did 4 rounds of this. The next move is a bicycle twist crunch. So you want to do a bicycle sort of motion while sitting on your tailbone. And instead of cycling your feet, you're just going to point your toes straight forward, and you're going to tap your opposite elbow to opposite knee, really twisting that torso, getting your obliques and your abs engaged. And this will definitely kill your lower abs. This is such a good move. So push through it and get those abs. Our third move in this combo is a sit-up ball pass. So all I did was put my feet together in a frog feet position, and I placed the ball right where my feet come together, and you're just sitting up with your arms over your head and grabbing that ball and coming back down. And you can use a little bit of momentum from your arms to help lift yourself up, but you really want to focus on squeezing that core, engaging those abs. It should be your core that lifts you up more than anything else. You only seek what you give away. You'll only speak what you want to say. You lay like a warrior. I'll make you shake like a better girl. Our final move is a side plank dip with the medicine ball on your hips. So go onto a side plank position, put those feet together, make sure your elbow is lined up with your shoulder, and all you're going to do is dip your hip down to the floor and pull it back up with that oblique. And the ball is just going to add an extra weight and make it really challenging for you. But again, push through and let it burn. So when you're done with that side, go ahead, roll over onto the other side and repeat on the other side for another 90 minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's ab challenge. I know that combo totally killed my core. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more ab workouts and how bad your abs were dying after this combo. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, stay fit guys. I will see you later, and stay fit.